to Filagust school. Edutaining TV will only School cats go meow as they prowl in the night. The owls go hoot in the pale moonlight. The dogs go wolf as they guard the gate. The frogs go ribbit by the pond real late. The cows go moo in the morning dew. The sheep go baa as they wander through. The ducks go quack by the quiet stream. And the horses neigh in a galloping dream. Pigs go oink as they roll in the mud. The bees go buzz near the flower bud. The goats go maa on the hillside steep, while the crickets chirp as the world falls asleep. The doggies hee-haw with a comical bray. The turkeys go gobble all Thanksgiving Day. The roosters crow with a proud cock-a-doodle-doo. And the doves softly coo in the sky so blue. Donkeys ooh, ooh as they swing in trees. The snakes go hiss in the jungle breeze. The lions roar in a mighty way, while the wolves go howl at the end of the day.
Thanks for watching. We had such fun. More cool shows are still to come. Learning and laughter, just for you. So don't forget to subscribe too.
Do not miss out on the fun. Subscribe today. Thank you.